Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to upload an image to Google Gemini AI. So to start with, open up a new chat by clicking on the left-hand side, New Chat tab. Then we're gonna click on the plus icon to add files. So you have different options. You could upload a photo, or you could add an image or photo from Drive, or you can upload an image from your computer. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on upload files. Then I'm going to go to my downloads where I have an image, and I'm going to click on that and click on open. So the image is going to come up, and then you can ask Gemini questions about the image. So I might say, what is this animal? Question mark. And Gemini will give me an answer. Might take a few seconds. And yeah, it's got it right. It's a Komodo dragon. Tells you like a little bit more information about it. So yeah, that's how to upload images to Google Gemini, and you can analyze them and edit them, do things like that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.